Do you want to become certified PMP in 2021? Yes, in 2021. We have a good time still in 2021, depending upon whenever you are watching this video. I'm recording this video on 25th of November. And let me tell you, we have helped students become PMP in 7 days, in 14 days, and normally our students become PMP in 3 to 4 weeks with just 3 to 4 hours of daily study. So, if it has been your dream from long time to become certified project management professional, this is the time to join and sign up our program. In this video, I'm gonna show you how in just 7 days you can become certified PMP. Now, if you have already taken training or if you have failed previously, it will actually help and it will actually boost the program for you. You can also call it's a booster program for those people. But even if you are at zero, I can make you PMP. However, you need to give me 10 hours a day to clear in 7 days. So let's see how we can make sure you become certified PMP in this program. So first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Amir Ali. I'm an authorized training provider. And as of 25th of November, we have 244 PMP in 2021 with a astonishing success rate of 99.5 percentage. And my goal is to get 350 certified PMP by the end of 2021. And I want you to be one of them. So how we will move through this, it is a very systematic process. You see, I'm a big believer of process. I don't work on a hit and trial and ask you to do that. I have made a process on which all students will follow, and if they follow, they will become at the end of that PMP. Now, if you have been thinking that the exam is gonna change on in 2022, let me put it this: no, exam is not gonna change in 2022. Exam will remain same. Nothing is gonna change. Well, book 7th is coming or not coming does not matter at all for your exam preparation. Let me tell you why it does not matter, especially in my program. Why? Because you don't have to study any book in my program. Only my materials, my videos, my slides will be more than enough for you. So if you don't like to read books, then this program is for you. If you want to read book and want to go into depth, this program is not for you. Then you can join my batch program and read the book. This is a one-to-one program. This is a mentor program. You and I will work till you become certified PMP. And my goal will be to make sure you do that in minimum possible time. So how it is gonna happen? So once you enroll in the program, the first topic I'm gonna give you straightforward. 7 days are there. On day one, I'm gonna give you 3 videos of Agile. The first video will be 5 minutes. The second video will be 30 minutes. And the third video will be 2 hours. You will watch the 5 minute video. That's more of a framework of Agile. You will watch it and we will have a discussion on that video, but like how much you understand, what are the things, what are the confusion. Then I will share you a 30-minute video that is basically a video of Scrum. So Scrum is very important in Agile. So you will watch it, make notes, then we will have a discussion on this, and then I'll give you a 2 hour video of Agile. Once you have watched it, then everything is clear. I'll give you slides, and after the slides, we'll do 50 questions for Agile. Once that is done, we will have a discussion on the root cause of Agile. By doing this 50 question, Agile is done for the PMPs. Then I will move towards the next topic. Let me put it a very important thing. On every topic, I am putting Pareto here. Pareto is a principle that basically 20-80 principle, that we are going to do only that 20% effort that is going to give us probability of passing the exam of 80%. We are not going to go through 80% of the material. It has only 20% usability, like reading a book and doing so many questions. We are not going to do that. We are going to do the most important thing. Secondly, once this is done, the next thing, I would say on day two, we will go through team. Now, team or resource is the most important thing. Creating a high performance team is all about right now our days in PMP exam. So we will go through team, one video or 2 hours, actually 1 hour 30 minutes, and one my journey video. We go through those, 10 slides, then 50 questions. In the same day, we will cover stakeholder and communication. So day one, all about agile. Day two, all about stakeholder communication team. Day three, we will focus now on risk, quality, and procurement. Now, this is a very important thing that we want to focus on risk, quality, and procurement. The reason is that you may get few questions also on this topic. So we will work on day three on this topic. Journeys videos, my personal videos, we will see how to move there, and the 50 questions or 20 questions depending upon the context, depending upon your understanding. This program will be 100% tailor-made. I will see where do you stand, and according to that I will give you 10 question, 20 question, or 50 question for these topics. But for previous topic I'll give you 50 questions or even more question depending upon the result, because in my opinion agile, stakeholder communication, and team is the real thing in current PMP. Then we will work on when risk, quality, procurement are done. We will work on scope, schedule, cost, and business environment. So that will be our day four. Now day four is done. All the topics are completed. Day five, we'll start with the revision. We will go through the entire thing. We will have a 2 hours video. We will have a discussion. Where do you stand? What are the things that you are having confusion? And we will do one complete mock of mine. Therefore, we will do the complete 180 mock, and then we will do the root cause analysis. Here I need your extreme attention here. Mock and root cause. If you get 70% above, we are going good. Day 5, another mock, and then revision of agile, team, stakeholder communication. Day 6, stakeholder, team, and risk quality. Day 7, again, one more mock. So we will be doing like 4 mocks, 3 to 4 mocks, and depending upon the time, we can do complete mock or we can do 60, 60, 60 questions depending upon the scenario. I will say, like my ideal plan is day 4, day 5, we will do complete mock, and day 6, day 7, we will play with 60, 60, 60 questions to get into the timer. I will give you my simulator. We'll get into the timer to see how you are done. And of course, once you start getting 70% above, I will ask you to give the exam. And once you clear the exam, I will ask you to share your journey with everyone, how you did it. Now, this is my 7 days PMP program. Everything we will go through it. This is a fast track program. I am putting Pareto into it. We are not going into details of the topic. We are only focusing on making sure that you pass the PMP exam. If you want to go to into depth of project management, I recommend you join my batch program that is going to start on 16th of December. It will be a detailed program of 6 days, 16, 17, 18, then 24, 25, 26, 6 days training for 6 hours, almost 36 hours, and assignment of almost 10 to 15 hours, so more than 50 plus hours, and a lot of details, lot of things in that. So it's your decision. You want to clear PMP in 7 days, 14 days, depending upon the hours, how much you can give. If you can give me like 10 hours a day, I'll make sure you clear in 7 days. If you can give me almost 6 hours, then 2 weeks. If you can give me 4 to 5 hours, 3 to 4 hours, 3-4 weeks. That depends on you. So which program you would like to join? Contact me on the given number below, and I will make sure you become certified PMP. And I highly recommend go through the journeys of students who have passed, like we have more than 200 videos, then you will know how I make sure through my success coaching system, each and every other student pass the exam. I will take your personal responsibility. And let's say if you don't pass the exam, even after going to this comprehensive program, you don't pass the exam, I will pay your re-examination fees. Yes, I'll pay your re-examination fees. Now, the choice is only on you. You have kind of insurance with you. You want to pass the PMP program, you want to pass PMP in 2021 or not. That's the question you need to ask.